In this video, Bitcoin just made a new all-time high at the 89,000 US dollars. But the question is the 100,000 US dollar Bitcoin possible? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So for today's video, we're going to talk about two things. Number one is the Bitcoin price action, if it's possible na mag 100k. And at the same time, we're also going to give an update with the Ethereum price action kasi that is what we have been monitoring then for the past few videos. So with that being said, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick update with the Ethereum price action. So diba kay Ethereum previously, ang monitor natin was this ascending triangle in the daily time frame. And 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo na usually mga movements sa ganito, if magkaroon ng bullish breakout at may buy volume, then we are going to target the itong height nitong triangle niyan, which is around the 3,300 US dollars. And take a look at it, guys. We have met the target exactly as predicted. So congratulations to everyone who have played this move. And of course, we are now already in profits. Ako personally in profits na ako dyan. And nag-take na ako ng profits. But right now, I don't think may magandang pag-usapan dito other than Bitcoin, kasi right now Bitcoin is looking good right now. And gusto din natin maintindihan kung ano na nga ba next move dito kay Bitcoin. So as you can see, Bitcoin actually went from this falling broadening wedge. So ayun, may falling broadening wedge dito, and traditionally ang target niyan is at the top of the wedge. But pwede din natin i-play out yung height niyan as target, which is around the 84,000 or 83,000, and we have met that na already. But as you can see right now, Bitcoin is in a price discovery mode. So it's definitely hard to indicate kung ano ba yung magiging next target niya, but it's not impossible. So usually, ano ba yung ginagawa natin dyan? Ang usual na ginagawa natin is nag-draw tayo ng Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the current low. And that would actually determine kung ano ba yung mga target price area nito ni Bitcoin. So as you can see dito, if you're going to look at the current Bitcoin price action, the current target dito of the Fibonacci retracement is the 88,000 US dollars if you are going to follow this current high na pinapakita ko ngayon. So in this case, 88,000 US dollars is a pretty tough resistance for the midterm kasi ayun no, 89k or 88k is looking like a very good indicator for this Fibonacci retracement for a target area. And the moment na ma-break natin yan, only then we are going to the next level, which is around 112,000 US dollars na nga. But meron din ako gusto ipakita pa din sa inyo na isa pa, and that is in the bigger movement pa dito ni Bitcoin. If you're going to zoom out dito and if you're going to look at the overall cycle of this Bitcoin movement, you can actually plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous all-time high din ni Bitcoin to the lowest point, which is around the 15,000 US dollars. And if you're going to see this movement, you would actually find na the main target na actually nitong movement ni Bitcoin currently is at the 101,000 US dollars. So if you're going to follow the midterm, it's actually looking like 88,000 is the realistic resistance. But if you're going to zoom out and look at even way further indicators around the 2022 areas, year 2022, you would actually find na the next target for Bitcoin is around 101,000 US dollars, and that is not impossible for us to reach kasi if you're going to look at this, 100,000 is just $12,000 away na nga lang kay Bitcoin. So I don't think it's not impossible, and I believe na pwede siyang pumunta doon. Usually whenever na we are breaking the all-time high, Bitcoin tends to continue an upward trajectory, just like yung mga previous movement ni Bitcoin. Pakita natin siya. Whenever na nagkaroon tayo ng break sa previous all-time high, dire-diretso na talaga si Bitcoin dito. Up until sa magkaroon na ng pahinga siya dyan. Ganun din yung nangyari sa previous movement. Nung na-break na yung previous all-time high, dire-diretso na rin si Bitcoin up until sa nagkaroon na siya ng pahinga. So, right now, I believe na Bitcoin will more likely go higher than the previous all-time high, and it will continue in an upward trajectory. Possibly nga, pwede pang umabot siguro around 130,000 US dollars But let's see within the next few weeks kung ano ba pwede mangyari dito. But right now, $100,000 is very possible na nga for Bitcoin. And take note guys, if you want to learn itong Fibonacci retracement tool na pinapakita ko sa inyo, diniscuss na natin to sa Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. If you want to learn how to use this Fibonacci retracement, you can actually find this guys in our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist in the description down below. Those tutorial videos are all for free. And if wala pa kayo account on trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit mas mura yung ating Bitcoin trading fees. So yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.